Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 75 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're going to be doing some bits with the frame, fitting the front wing. But before we get to that, we're going to build the little spotlight assembly. So the little lens piece pops onto the front here. It does only go one way round for some reason, although it's round. There is a little notch there, which has to go over the little notch there. Then it just sort of pushes in place, a bit like that. Problem. Then we need to attach that to the back with an RP screw, which we have got a few of in there. I'm going to need another one of those in a minute as well, so I'm going to get two of those out. Leave the one spare. Let's get a tiny screwdriver for that because it is pretty small. That will go on there, and that will go in there, and that lens is not on there properly. Pop the lens on again in a moment. That not on there properly. Did I not have it the right way round? I really feel like that keys in. Although there is a notch there, there's not much of a notch. Another one further round that I'm not feeling. Definitely only the one notch there, and there's only the one notch there. Not on. Strange. Feels like it should be a tighter fit than it is, because it's not actually a tight fit at all. I might need to fix that in with a little bit of glue, but we'll come back to it in a minute. Let's put this on the bottom there. That goes through there with the other screw, the SP screw, which is also tiny but longer. So we'll get one of those out. That will go through there and into there. Get that the right way up. Yeah, it is that way up. Put it through there first because that's going to be harder to do. Yeah. That's that bit, and then just got to attach that to that. Bit like that. That will go through there. That goes on the other side of that. That's not a problem. Not sure what that mirrored piece is, because that's probably... Oh no, this is where it attaches. So, oh, why has it got... Can you flip it round to be mirror? Or is that also the rear view mirror, like the wing mirror? That goes onto the bottom there, and a screw holds that together. It does honestly, it does hold that together. Get the screw through there. Lined up. Come on. Get it through there already. Yeah. Tricky bits. That's not all the way through. Go in a little bit further to line up with that. Got sort of bits at the end that aren't lining up very well. There we go. Just got to go in a little bit further. And then that will do up in there. Right. If you're in the right place, you can actually get it done up. Through there, hole there. They will go together. Keep missing it. Right, I shall get that done when I can get a bit closer into it and see exactly what's going on. And I'll figure out why that's not going on there as well. But this isn't being attached yet anyway. So let me finish that off and then bring in the main bodywork so we can get this and that and indeed the wing attached. Right, that's all gone together. I've been able to get that pushed in. It just clipped in a little bit harder than I was clipping it, so that's gone in there okay. So that's ready to be put aside. It looks like it's going to fit there, but we're not putting it on there as yet. So let's put that to one side. Put that to one side a moment as well, because first of all we need to fit the guide strip, which pops in next to the hood there. We've got three little attachment points. Once that's in the right place, will be held in place with 3 screws on the other side, on the inside. Can I show you that? Yeah, I'm sure we can. Get that round there like so. And we need 3 of these screws to hold that in place. I'm still going to go with the smaller screwdriver, I think. So I've got to get that lined up there. Obviously, we've got 1, 2, and 3 screw holes to attach it. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to do this on camera. Get one in, get that one in, middle one in, because that feels like that's gone into the right place now. Yeah, that's got that one located on there. Then I need to attach the door switch that I disconnected from the main chassis, and that goes the corner bit. I can't see exactly where that is. Be in the door. There we go. Right. Yeah, that's going to go. I'll show you that now. Okay, right. A couple of things done. That I've just popped in place because I needed another wire. The ceiling light wire you have to thread along in behind. This hood keeps opening. Those springs are just a little bit too powerful for it when it's not leaning downwards, and it keeps trying to pop itself open. So yeah, that if I take this off, it's probably going to come loose. Yeah, there we go. Look, that needs to be in here and behind the little clip piece, although it's not really a little clip piece. It just says don't trap it, but it doesn't say how far to have it coming out. I'm guessing about the same as that one, but yeah. So that's got to go on there. I've attached that as it should be, the switch for the door. So that needs to be under there, and that needs to be over the top of it, but I can't do that one-handed while I'm having to hold the thing the other way. So yeah, basically that's going to go on there a bit like that, with that in there, and there are 4 screws to hold this in place. So I shall get that done and I'll show you what it looks like after. Unfortunately, I've got no way of filming it to get it, you know, to show you exactly what's going on, because it's just too big, unwieldy, and in the way, and I need to hold it to get it, and I can't get the camera in the same place to show you what's what. But I'll show you what we've done after I've done it. Okay, there we go. 4 screws in there. Not the easiest of ones to get in, but they're in and all connected. The wires, well, the blue one moves freely, so it's not caught up anywhere. I need to obviously figure out exactly where that's going to go because it's going to end up being routed around. Obviously, it's got the 2 interior lights on it, but yeah, I understand why we needed to get that in before getting this on. So I'm happy with that. So if I turn it over a bit, you can see what it looks like. There we go. I'm not happy with how this hood is sort of, it's loose on its hinges, but it sort of has to be, I think. But you have to get it sort of lined up properly before you close it. Now, I'm not going to have it open, obviously, pretty much at all. That doesn't really worry me, but yeah, I might need to adjust things to make it fit down properly because it's not really fully flush. It goes flush, but it's not sort of staying there on its own. Might be because of the front not looking down yet. I know we're going to be putting the front grille on very soon. So there we have it. That is that connected and done. It's getting there. I think next time we're going to be doing the other one and then attaching that as well. So we'll get to that very soon. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. I've got to wave with the wrong hand now. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.